work on an impact drill, meaning how you hit the golf ball, whether you hit it, if you hit the golf ball, or if your club makes contact with the ground behind the ball, that means you hit it heavy or fat. If you make contact with the ground beyond the ball, or don't make contact with the ground at all, that means you hit it skinny or thin. So what I want you to do is hit it solid every single time, and I'm going to show you a great drill to do that. What I'm going to do is take a little piece of grass or dirt, or whatever, and put it just to your left of the golf ball. And what I want you to do is take the leading edge of this golf club and hit down and through on that piece of grass. Don't even worry about where the golf ball is. I just want you to focus on that point. This is a great way to get you to hit the golf ball solidly every time, so let's give it a try. I want you to, when you're over the ball, just focus on that piece of grass and use your shoulders and arms to hit down and through on it. Let's see it. That was pretty pure. Let's try it again. I'm going to put that piece of grass in that same spot, and when I